The all-new Searchline Excel Plus and Searchline Excel Edge by Honeywell are the latest generation of advanced open-path flammable gas detectors. Honeywell Searchline Excel Plus is a medium-range flammable gas detector for safety instrumented systems. Honeywell Searchline Excel Edge is a long-range flammable gas detector for fence line monitoring. Industries with hazardous environments are facing increasing safety demands and regulation. Monitoring a site for gas leaks, environmental due diligence is becoming even more important. When monitoring for flammable gas leaks at an outdoor site that is exposed to natural elements, different types of fixed gas detectors are required. A mix of technologies within the gas detection safety layer will deliver more robust and reliable detection. This includes using point detectors like the SearchPoint Optima Plus, open path detectors like the all-new Searchline Excel Plus and Edge, ultrasonic leak detectors like the SearchZone Sonic, flame detectors like the FS24X Plus, and personal portable gas detectors like the BW Icon. An open path gas detector helps cover a greater area, improving the chances of detecting a gas leak. Existing open path detectors, whether NDIR or laser-based, are susceptible to weather conditions such as fog, rain, snow, and ice. Poor visibility has the potential to block the signal, inhibiting the ability to detect gas, thereby bringing the protection offline. The Searchline Excel Plus uses near-band infrared, NBIR advanced optics, which continues to provide safety coverage long after all others have gone offline. This ensures that response time is also maintained and safety is assured. Installing open path detectors can be tricky. Some are heavier in weight and require specialized mounts. Most require more than one person to successfully install and calibrate. Searchline Excel Plus installation is made easier by first installing the universal mount and then mounting the detector. For many detectors, routine maintenance is a multi-step process that introduces additional safety hazards. Some detectors require a specialized device with a specialized port, requiring you to be physically at the device to perform maintenance. The Searchline Excel Plus can be configured wirelessly via a Bluetooth connection using an IS mobile device available via Honeywell and the Honeywell Fixed Platform app. This non-intrusive commissioning and fault diagnostic feature eliminates the need to open the unit in the hazardous area, thereby avoiding hot work permits, which can take a long time to obtain. Operating a unit with a magnet can become laborious and prone to errors. Using familiar mobile device technology and the Honeywell Fixed app, these operations are greatly simplified, providing more information and saving time. While the Searchline Excel Plus is in operation, they are running continuous diagnostics. If the transmitter or receiver pair go out of optimal alignment, the detectors flag that the alignment is off. A warning is sent to the instrumentation engineers, informing them of the issue and which unit is affected. This patented feature enables improved safety coverage. The Searchline Excel Plus has a range from 2 meters up to 120 meters, enabling safety instrumented systems. The Searchline Excel Edge has a range of up to 330 meters, enabling effective perimeter monitoring at the edge of a site. With knowledge of the wind direction, an operator can determine if gas emissions are ingress or egress. The all-new Searchline Excel Plus and Searchline Excel Edge by Honeywell are the latest generation of advanced open-path flammable hydrocarbon gas detectors. Advanced optics deliver increased uptime by penetrating thick fog with a flatter response to different hydrocarbon gases. Wireless access enables remote configuration and maintenance. The universal mount and separate wiring compartment enables simple installation. A high-visibility halo light ring provides clear local status. Modular design enables quick and easy maintenance in the event of faults. The all-new Searchline Excel Plus by Honeywell. Gas detection that efficiently delivers safety and continuous protection. The all-new Searchline Excel Edge by Honeywell. Push your detection to the edge. gas detection that efficiently delivers safety, emissions monitoring, and peace of mind.